Hey guys, it's Stephanie here from Oh You're Lovely, and today we are going to take these beautiful bouquets and ship them off. The one biggest question I found after you start working with Sola flowers and you want to ship your products across the country is like, how the heck do you ship these things without something happening to them? And I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to ship this order to get to North Carolina with no damage. Fingers crossed. I have found that the answer to shipping Sola flowers across the country is bubble wrap. Lots and lots of bubble wrap. Now, I did grab two bubble wrap rolls. I don't think we're gonna need both of them. I'm pretty sure we'll be fine with just one, but I wanted to be prepared just in case because I'd hate to start this and then have to run to the store to get another roll of bubble wrap. So we're going to wrap all of the flowers up nice and tidy, a big ball of bubble wrap basically. I also took these little boxes, built them up, and each boutonniere is in one of the boxes individually with a little bit of bubble wrap as well. We'll show a quick little video on how I built the boxes. But 1, 2, 3, Simple Simon. These are gonna go in this box right here. I am reusing one of our own boxes for other things that Maggie had sent to me. This is a 20 by 20 by 10 box. I'm optimistic everything will fit in there. If it doesn't, I have a plan B and we'll send everything in 2 boxes. But otherwise, let's see if we can get that all in one box where I feel comfortable that nothing is getting squished or is not going to fit properly. All right, let's do this. I'm going to take the little boxes and I'm actually going to use those to prop up the rest of the bouquet itself. We're also going to make sure though that nothing is, we don't want it to get any higher than the box level itself as far as, we don't want to have to squish anything down. As I'm shaking this, I can feel things moving. You don't want any kind of movement. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take more bubble wrap. If you also had craft paper, that would work well as well. That would also work. What you wanna do is you wanna fill in all the gaps and spaces. Nothing should move. That is the goal. Nothing should move. And everything should get there nice and beautiful, just like it was before you shoved it in a box. All right, so I'm gonna start filling in this whole box. Nothing is moving. Yay, success. So now I'm gonna write a cute little note to send to the lovely bride and tape this all up, weigh it, get a label on it, and get it out the door. There you have it, guys. That is how I ship Sola wood flower finished pieces across the country. And so far, knock on wood, I have yet to have anything damaged when it's been received. So hopefully this helps, gives you a little bit of tips and tricks. There's a lot of different ways you can do it. This is just how I do it. So if you have any questions, make sure to drop them in the comments. If you're loving these videos, can't get enough, want to be notified the next time we go live, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell. And to learn about the 100+ Sola style flowers we carry in the shop, go to ohyourlovely.com. Until next time, this is Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, and you, my friends, are absolutely lovely. Bye, guys. We'll do a full-on graduation pose, right? All right. You gotta get your hand up in your hair. No, don't use that one, please.